Assalamualaikum and hi. Welcome to Yaba Gaming Cyber Cafe. This is our group member. Starting from the right, Nur Sulaiha, and then Muhammad SYA'BAN. After that, Muhammad Muzamil, and last but not least, Nur Tasha Zulaika.
Introduction. The cyber cafe is a type of business where computers are provided for accessing the internet, playing games, chatting with friends or others. Yaba Gaming offers accessing the internet with an affordable charge. Forbidden for people under the age of 15 to enter such an internet cafe. Yaba Gaming provides 20 seats, of which is 12 for standard seats and 8 for VIP seats. Yaba Gaming Cyber Cafe has set several management strategies such as implement teamwork, spread among employees for mutual benefit.
The objective of this project is to design the cyber cafe function using computer programming language C++ to prepare the coding, including the requirement that cyber cafe needed to show the outcome for coding result.
This is analysis for Yaba Gaming. There are two types of seats, which is standard and VIP seats. Yaba Gaming open in weekday and weekend. Different charges will apply according to time. For weekday, standard seat will charge 2 ringgit or 1 ringgit 50 cents per hour. Weekend standard seat will charge 3 ringgit or 2 ringgit 50 cents per hour. Weekday VIP seat will charge 3 ringgit or 2 ringgit 50 cents per hour. Weekend VIP seat charge 4 ringgit or 3 ringgit 50 cents per hour.
Let's move to Yaba Gaming flowchart. Firstly, the customer must enter the name, and the most important is age. If customer age is 15 years old and above, the status is pass. If not, the status is fail. When status is pass, the customer have to choose this type of seat. We have two type of seat, standard and VIP. In these two type of seat, we have weekdays and weekend. For the weekdays, we have two sessions of time. Firstly, 12 p.m. to 12 a.m. we charge Rm 2 ringgit per hour. Second, from 12 a.m. to 7 a.m. we charge Rm 1 ringgit and 50 cents per hour. And for the weekend, we also have two sessions of time. For each session, we increase Rm 1 ringgit of charge. Meanwhile, for VIP seat is same like standard seat, but will add additional charge Rm 1 ringgit per hour for each session, weekdays and weekend. Finally, it will display the total charge. If the customer want to add hour, they must click yes. But if they don't want to add hour, they must click no.
For this program, we use hashtag include IOStream, hashtag include IOManip, hashtag include CS3, hashtag include CMAT. We using space standard. For the / variable declaration is our comments, and for the variable declaration that we use is integer age, char, name 30, days, type of seat, and y. For the float is hours, times, and total charge. Next is input and output. For this program, we will display welcome to Yaba Gaming Cyber Cafe. After that, customers should enter their name. For cin.getLine, name 30 is predefined function, and after that, customers should enter their age. After that, we use control structure. For age, if age is greater than 15, program will display pass and you can start. Else, if age is less 15, program will display fail and end the program. After that, program will display analysis of price range in Yaba Gaming Cyber Cafe. Next, customer should enter type of seat, which is enter standard is S, if VVIP, enter V. For this program, we use control structure. After enter type of seat, program will display weekdays or weekends. If weekdays, customer should enter A, else if weekends, enter B. After that, enter current time in 24-hour system. After that, enter hours. After get the customer information, which is type of seat, days, current time and hours, program will go to the next stage, which is calculation process. For this program, we use the control structure. Next is output section. Program will display total charge depend on analysis of price range that we coding. After that, program will ask if you want to start again. If yes, enter Y, program will loops. If no, enter N, the program will end.
Conclusion. From the task conducted, at first we just discussed through Discord application to make a flow chart. Since this study online learning, each of our member was at their hometown. From that channel, we can meet and discuss to share each other ideas before we agreed to design the flow chart. After we get approval from Madam Atika, we proceed to make a coding, the proper report and presentation video. We really hope that this project will make an easier way to help the gamers or customer to play game and surf the internet in Yaba Cyber Cafe. Lastly, a huge thanks to Madam Atika for willing to share her knowledge in this subject, and for this opportunity, we also very happy to learn with you during this semester. Hope to see you again. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum.